Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unboxing to do today, and this one has come to me from Amazon, and it's an artdot product. But yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, this is a big box for a little thing inside, and it's come in a tube. Oh, okay, so that's a bit different. Right, so I was looking on Amazon, and I do like artdot products, and it suddenly crossed my mind, well, I've never actually had one of their diamond paintings. I love the storage, and if you saw my unboxing recently, I got the 120 bottle storage case from them, and it was absolutely brilliant. And the stickers as well, the freestyle stickers. And yeah, I've been seeing this canvas around quite a bit, this butterfly canvas, and I quite fancy it. I do think the colours are gorgeous. So I thought I would get one of their diamond paintings. And I love this. It's come in one of its own little boxes, a little round case as it were. Let's have a look. So craft is a lifestyle, yeah. Very nice branding, artdot, like this. Okay, so stress relief, escape from the stresses and pressure of modern living with diamond art. Yeah, I agree with that. Sparkling art, a stunning artwork composed of colourful and multifaceted diamonds. Ooh. All age friendly craft, easy to learn, no special skills required, enjoyable for both children and adults. Yeah, I agree with that as well. As long as you can pick up a pen to pick up the drills and put them onto your canvas, it's a great leveler, because it doesn't matter how advanced or how new you are to diamond painting, you are literally just picking up a little dot and putting it onto a canvas, and everyone's canvas will basically look the same. So yeah, it's something, I say, it's a great leveler. I do love my diamond crafting. So we've got a canvas. Oh, we've got the S missing. A diamond set, a pen, a tray, a wax, colour code sticker, and a freestyle sticker. Oh, okay. Friendly and hassle-free customer service. So we've got the support email there and the website, and it's telling us all about recycling there. Okay, we've got our instructions for diamond painting, all in pictures and words, which is brilliant. I do like pictures. So very good. Oh, I like this. Do like this. And actually, I am quite pleased that Amazon put it in a box, because sometimes they do just slap a sticker onto packaging like this, and it would have spoilt it. I do like my little tubes, my little boxes. Oh, let me get this out. It needs to be tight so the lid doesn't come off, but that is quite tight. Oh, right, okay, so it's quite well in there. Right, so put that out of the way. So we're a little bit squished at the corners, but it's poured glue, so that should be okay. This is like a felty feel to it. I don't think it tells us what it is actually made of. So we've got a canvas on one side. So I can only liken it to, you know, the tablecloth things that you get that are like table protectors. Feels a little bit like that. So, oops, wrong way, Liz. Oh, look, we've got a pen escaping already. Stay there, you. Just needs a little bit of flattening out, but that's not a problem. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Oh, I like this idea. So, let's oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness me. Wow, well done, artdot, liking this. Okay. So, yeah, as you can see, you can actually have this picture either portrait style or landscape style. It really doesn't matter. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. And we then have little tiny stickers that are all die cut with the DMC numbers on. So to kit it up, that's going to make that so much easier. It says it's a 20 by 10 picture, 50 centimetres by 25 centimetres. It's round, and it's 15,576 drills. Wow, that's a really big step up. like that. And as I say, this one was only £5.99. It was on special offer, I have to say. I do like my bargains. So yeah, it looks like our little toolkit, they've all escaped out of it. So right, we've got our tray, we've got a blue, pale blue sparkly pen with a 3-placer on the end. We have our little piece of heart wax. We have our pale blue squishy, which is wonderful. And we have got some washi tape with this as well. This is amazing. Oh, that's pretty. So it's like, what are they? They're that way up. Oh, where those white flowers, what are they called? Magnolia? Is it like a magnolia tree? Magnolia flowers? Very, very pretty. But there's quite a bit on there as well. That's a pretty good washi tape to get, blimey, for the money. And then they've sent us 2 of the stickers as well. So as I say, if you remember on my previous unboxing of artdot, I did actually buy the freestyle stickers, as they call them, where you can just literally make up your own colours. But that is amazing. Well, all for £5.99. Loving this. Now then, I'm just going to have a look at the trays, because I did say that I believed that the trays would stack together. And somebody in the comments, thank you for that, did say that they'd seen somebody actually stacking the trays together. So let's just see how these go together. Yes, they do. So if you get more than one artdot product then that has this toolkit, your trays will all stack together. So you could get quite a few of them. That's really good. And the nice little trays as well. Sometimes you don't want a huge tray. It depends on what you're doing. If you're only wanting a few of each colour as you're doing your painting, then yeah, these little trays are lovely. And it's got the little spout at the end there with the little cover. So when you're tipping it out, you're not going to have all your drills coming over the top. I speak from experience. So very good. Liking this. Wow, I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for some more artdot canvases. If they're coming like this now, they're brilliant. Just pop those on one side for a moment. This needs a bit of a flatten out as well. I'll put it under some heavy diamond paintings. And I'll put my canvas under some heavy diamond paintings as well. They'll still flatten out. Right, so let's put this little toolkit. But yeah, washi tape as well. Brilliant. Love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, look at all those drills. Look at those colours. Yeah, I definitely wanted a lovely, colourful painting. As I say, I've seen a few people with this canvas. I thought, right, I want to unbox this one and have a look as well. Okay, so give this a good flatten out. So we have a 35 colours. Oh, that's unusual. So we're starting off at this end on the key code. So this one goes 1 to 24. We've got your scalloped edge here with your little dots, which does stop any fraying, which I've said it before and I'll say it again. I always find it really hard to cut the edges off because I do like that little sort of decoration around the edge, but if you're framing it then you don't really see that. But anyway, that's just me. Looks like we've got all the information as well around the edge that we've got on the box. Yeah, so I'm wondering, do these colours start at this end then, and then the last, what are we, 9, 10 colours, 11 colours, 25 to 35 on this side of the canvas, are these all at this end? Quite possibly, because they're the purples. So that would be quite good if you are doing it on a smaller surface and you're sort of rolling it up. You've got the key code that you need at this side for this end of the canvas, and you've got the key code that you need at this side for this end of the canvas. I think that's how that's going to work. Anyway, obviously I'm going to have to do it to be able to see. Let's give this another flatten down. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's practically flat now. It's a very nice canvas. So I like the back. I mean, having these soft backs, it gives you a little bit of friction as well when you're using them on your tables. and on your little artist easel or whatever you do your diamond painting on, it doesn't slide quite so much as just a canvas that's just like your shiny canvas. So yeah, it's got that little bit of friction. Okay, let's give it a quick measure. Let's have a look at this. So what we're saying, it's 50 by 25 centimetres. So are we true to size? Let's have a look. We are 50 centimetres, which is, well, they've put 20 inches, but that's actually about 19.5 inches. So they've rounded it up, but that's okay. We can live with that. And it is, 25 centimetres, which is about 9.75 inches. So just a little bit shorter on the inches side, but the centimetres are spot on of the canvas. So it's actually the drill area, not the whole canvas area. Let me see if I can just get that squidge out the middle, that little crease on this little crease on this paper here, because it's just driving me a little bit mad. Okay, lovely canvas, as I say, is flattening out already. The drill area is really, really good. It's just this corner is just a little bit squidged where it was shoved into the tube, but that's okay. That's just the edges, that's nothing to do with the picture. So I think that, see if I can get this, I think that dark blue, this dark blue here is just a little bit dark for the letter there on it. I'm not sure. I would definitely need a light pad underneath that, I think, to see. It could be E. But yeah, that is just a little bit dark to see. We've got F. I think it is an E. I think the darker colour is an E, which is number 17 there. Yeah, so everything else is really, really clear. But that, I'm struggling to see it. As you know, my eyesight is appalling. A light pad underneath this will just shine it out, no problem. I'll let you know when I do it, if I can actually see it with my magnifying light, because as you know, I do use a magnifying light when I'm diamond painting. Okay, let's have a look at these drills. Nicely packaged. I'm trying to take them out and I haven't even opened the packet properly. Oh dear, another Lizism. Right, oh, it looks like we've got some ABs, some Aurora Borealis coated gems. So, do we have them marked on here as such? Oh, it could be. Yeah, oh, that's different then. So we'll double check, but it looks as though if it's got like a multicoloured little lozenge there around the number and the DMC code, I think that means it's an AB, which is Aurora Borealis, a lovely coating that they put on the top of your drills, and it's like a Northern Lights oil and water type effect that just makes it sparkle and gives you some different colours. And then we've got P at the end there as well. Number 34 has got that little lozenge with all the colours on. So we'll see if they are the ABs, but I've just spotted them as I was just opening that pack of drills there. So let's have a look at these colours. Okay, wow. Looks like we're, heck, is it all one long train? Whoa, this is going to be fun to put back in the packet. So we have a lovely limey green colour, a nice purple, and a lilac colour, and yeah, that is number 4, which is 307, and that's that lovely sunny yellow colour. You can see there that it's just got that coating on. So if you look on the bottom of the drill, that's the original colour of the drill, and then if you look on the top, you can see it shows all different colours and sparkles a little bit more. It's a bit difficult in this light, although it's very hot here today. It's gone really, really dull. So we've got a lot of humidity with the heat, but no sunshine. So I've had to put my light on, which isn't ideal. Right, we've got that lovely cherry red, and then a nice chocolatey brown, and a mocha colour, and a pale yellow. There's only a few of those. And oh, that's a different green. That's like a palish yellowy green. And then a very dark green. And ooh, 3. Are they all the same? They are. 3 packets of your very dark purple. Wow, that's an awful lot of purple. And then is this 666? It is. That's our lovely 666 red. A grassy green, a bright orange, a little bit paler orange, and an even paler orange. And then our lovely blue that's a little bit purpley blue there. Okay, oh no, it's not in all one long train. Look, we've got a different, we've got a split train here, so let's have a look. We've got our burgundy colour, and a red wine colour, and a deep blue colour, and a pinky red, and that's another pinky, yeah, sort of a pinky rosy colour there, a deep green, and a lighter green, oh, and a lovely fresh green, I love that colour, and like a navy blue, and a bright orange, and it's like a sky blue, and an aqua blue, and a baby blue, and a little bit of red grape colour, and a nice royal purple, and then we've got our aqua type blue colour, and then that's our next AB colour, which is your blue 3846. So yep, it's exactly as it is on the key code. And then a little bit of like a caramel chocolate colour. Oh, that's really pretty. I love that with all those blues. See if I can get it to... Oh yeah, you can see it now. Look, if it just goes a little bit blurry, you get to see the colour. And you get to see the sparkle a bit more. I'm not quite sure how that works, but I'm sure somebody can tell me. Okay, let's get these put away. Okay, well, this has been quite a surprise, to be perfectly honest. I ordered a little painting at £5.99, thinking, you know, I'd get your basic toolkit and your drills and, you know, just a nice painting with the butterflies on. And I've ended up with what I would class as quite a high quality kit with very nice looking drills, beautiful colours, lovely soft canvas, and to get your sticker all ready to kit up. And we've got spare little stickers as well if you need more than one. That purple, we're definitely going to need more than one container, aren't we, because there was 3 bags of it, they won't all fit in one. Our great little artdot toolkit, even with a washi tape, I mean, that is amazing. And yeah, I'm amazed. And then it all came in this great little tube as well. If you're wanting to start somebody out on diamond painting, this is brilliant. And it's actually telling us it's a beginner one as well, which I missed when I looked at this first time. So you've got beginner, advanced and pro. So yeah, something to watch out for. So if this is somebody that you want to get into diamond painting, or they've said, oh, I quite fancy having a try. I mean, at this price, it is a brilliant present for somebody. You've got everything you need there. Well, more than everything you need. It's definitely more than a standard diamond painting, this one. I'm very, very impressed. And then we've got our 2 little stickers, so any leftover drills you've got, you can do yourself a couple of stickers as well. I think that's a butterfly and that's a lollipop with a bow around it. So brilliant. Love that. Absolutely great. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All the details of this will be in my description. You need to click on the more button and then click on more again, and it will give you the link to where I got this one from. And if you want to click on that subscribe button down in this corner, and then the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.